morning, this is Mark Wabel with Transwest Truck Trailer and RV here in Belton, Missouri. Today we're going to take a quick look around our new 2022 Winnebago Solis PX. This is a B-Van, a very innovative, exciting new offering. I guess this is in its second year from Winnebago. This is on the Dodge ProMaster chassis. It is just over 21 feet in length, and it's got the pop top, as you can see up here. AC, a great, easy, maneuverable B-Van that you can take out. I see a lot of people using this that might be going to the beach, looking for a great weekend, and looking for the capability to have a shower and a toilet, a drop-down Murphy bed in the back. But we're going to take a quick look around, kind of show you the inside and the outside, get some of the highlights of it. Right now we've got it set up for pictures. So Miss Katie has got all the window shades in, so you can see how those shades work to be able to give you privacy when you're out camping. You've got drop-down screens. One of the really neat, innovative things is Winnebago's come up, so if you've got your screen down, you don't have to unzip it all the way. You've got this large magnet that runs all the way the length of the door, so you can let yourself in and out, even when your screens are down, especially as we're getting into the fall months here, where you might have all the windows open, not be running the AC. Right now we've got the generator going on this unit, so the ACs are running, keeping it cool. The PX does have the Coleman Mach rooftop air. Again, you've got the pop top. We're going to show some quick things in the back here. These units all have a bar set up for a screen. When looking at Winnebago, that's got the rear outside shower, so if you are out and about, you can set that up to take an outside shower. You've got your cords in the back. You've got your tie-down straps. You can see here the bed set up. The Murphy bed goes up and down here. And then when it's up, you've got nice storage in the floor, two sides. So really in a RV that's just over 20 feet with the pop top and the Murphy bed, you have sleeping for four, which is great for a small family. If you're not wanting to go out and be in a tent, the ability to go out and camp and have your own vehicle and run where you want to. Easy to hook and unhook. So now we're going to go inside, hit some of the highlights. The interior has rear view camera. It also has a rear view mirror that's digital at all times, projecting the picture back. On the Ram ProMaster, both of these seats swivel. You've got seatbelt harnesses for four, 3-point harnesses, two of them in the back, along with the two up front. Also here above, you have storage. Right now we have the ladder stowed up here. It breaks in half, it hooks in to the hooks over there, and that way you can climb up into your pop top, sleep two people. And then in your coach, you've got a 12-volt fridge, you've got a 2-burner cooktop, sink, and then you've got your shower closet. You do have solar on board here. So in a unit of this size, a small unit, you still have the onboard shower. Lots of storage up top. Very innovative use of all the space. So if you're looking for a great unit to be able to go out for a weekend, long trips, still have the use to use the restroom, shower, with the Murphy bed. The other great thing If you turn around here, Katie, when you put that Murphy bed up, say you're traveling and you have some bikes, you want some extra space, you know, you've got your drop down table in the back to give you extra counter space if you need to, but you can store, you know, 2 bikes, kayaks, small things in the back to be able to go out and truly do the adventurous weekend or a longer extended trip. So if there's anything that we can help you with, if you have any questions about this unit, please feel free to give us a call. Again, my name is Mark Wable. My direct line is 816-446-9799. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have about the Solis or any other vehicles that we have on our lot. We also are actively buying any RVs, used trucks, 2011 and newer. So if we can help you out, if you're looking to get out of RVing or want to trade up, just let us know how we can assist you moving forward. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.